Hi, today I'm going to help you get started in Canva. So I know Canva can be really overwhelming. There's so many design options and colors and fonts to choose from. It's hard to know where to begin and how to stay on brand. So we're going to create a document so that you can stay on brand for your future Canva designs. What we need to do first is have you open up your style guide because we're going to need to have these color codes right here. They're called hex codes. And we're going to need to know what fonts to bring in to your document. So after you've done that, we're going to come and log into Canva. And the next thing we're going to do is find Brand Kit down here on the left. So click on Brand Kit. We're going to be creating a palette. So you can title this Brand Colors. And then you'll click on this plus sign. And you'll add the hex code over here, right here. So 373836. I'm typing this number into this field. Okay, then I'm going to add that red. And keep in mind that this is the free version of Canva, and you're only allowed to add 3 colors to a palette. So I'm going to choose this really light accent color because I like to use that. Okay, so we have a palette now. Now go back to home. And we're going to create a design. Just start typing the word letterhead in here and you'll see it pull up. Just select that and you'll have a nice blank document here. Just hide all of those options so it's nice and clean and easy to see. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come here to text and we're going to add all 3 of these fonts to this document. So add a heading. And if you come up here, this shows you what font we're using right now. So if you click there, it lets you start typing in another font name. So there's Prada, so I select that. And then I also want to change the color. So if I click on this box right here, and then here's my palette that I made. I'm just going to change that to the black. And I'm just going to move this out of the way. You just grab it and slide it. Okay. And then I'm going to say add a subheading. And again, I'm going to click on that box, start typing in the name of the next font. And I'm going to choose the extra light one. And again, I'm going to change the color. And we're going to left justify both of these. That with the alignment tool right here. And then one more, a little bit of body text. And you can always grab that bar right there to slide things around. Going to again search for the name of that font. We're going to change the color and we're going to align left and just slide this up here. All right. Next, we're going to add an element. So come over here to elements, start typing the word square. We're going to make a rectangle, but we're just going to start with a square. So type in square and hit enter. And then select that. And then I'm going to change the color to this light gray. Now to change it to a rectangle, grab that little bar right there and slide it up. It can be any size you want it to be, but I'm going to make a little header for a document. And then I'm just going to slide it right up there. Okay. And just by dragging over the top of these, I can select all of those. All right. Now next we're going to add a line element. So come here and start typing in line, hit return. It's this basic one first, and it's actually, I was going to change it to that red color, and that was the default color. So this gives us something to start with. If you wanted to add more elements to this, or if you wanted to shrink these. We'll be talking more about that in future tutorials. Thanks a lot.